So there you have it. Adante, I know you have to go soon, so I want to get your reaction on that latest piece of testimony we just heard. And she talked about Julie's concern at the end there about a tree incident that she didn't want to explain to her husband. What could the jury think of something like that, and what could that mean?
Well, I think, when you're sitting here and you're afraid to tell your spouse about something that sounded pretty minor, a top came off the hot tub or the sauna and hit a tree. Okay, these things happen. I guess it was a windy day. Why are you afraid to tell your life partner about something like that? It kind of gives the idea that this guy is wound up pretty tight and is really scary in private. At the same time, Julie didn't express that she thought he was going to do something to her, but it leaves the idea in the jury's mind, the impression, that something could happen. I thought the defense did a good job by just kind of trying to neutralize that a little bit by saying that she didn't believe that she was in danger. But at the same time, the prosecution brought it up, and it's going to linger in the jury's mind.
She's afraid Mark was trying to poison her. What do you make of that?
Well, that's going to be some very damning evidence, if you will, that the person who's no longer here to speak on her own behalf because she's been killed, or as the defense wants to say, committed suicide, told someone before she was dead that, hey, this is the person who wants to do something to me. It's a what some might call a dying declaration if it was done contemporaneously with her demise. But at the same time, this is what we as a public are used to seeing: people writing notes, making some declaration, pointing to the person that's responsible for their death before they die. So I think that's a
Yeah.
very
All right,
persuasive.
Adante, I'm sorry I got to wrap you up. We have to go now, but thank you so much for joining us. We hope we see you soon.